Visiting the team here at a property in Cape Coral today. We are starting a tear out at the front of a house. We're doing new landscaping all the way around. This specific person didn't need new curbing, but the beds needed to be refreshed. They needed new rock, they needed new plants, and there was a lot of existing plants at the front of this house. So I'm gonna show you a little bit of the prep. What we're seeing right now is beds that are getting ready to go for final grade. We've still got a little bit more digging to do here. This whole front was plants that were grown up really tall. They wanted to really clean up the appearance of the front of their home and freshen it up because this bed right here had already been done. The older, taller plants have been taken down. So we're able to leave the existing curb. It saves on budget, clean that up. If in the future they need new curbing, we can always add that in. It's all about getting you what you want within the budget of what makes sense to you. So maybe that means we don't do curbing right now. Maybe that means we just completely gut out all the beds, leave bigger palms, and put down a new base material like new mulch or new rock. And then the next phase is plants, and then the next phase is lighting. There's so many different ways to cut up a project to make sure you get what you want, and we at least make progress towards where you ultimately want to be on your property.